You can use different types of screen lock methods on your Android tablet, ranging from a simple swipe like this with no passcode or PIN to some other highly secure options. Let's take a look at the options and how to change between the different types. To change your screen lock type, you'll go to Settings, and on my Samsung tablet, I'll scroll down to Lock Screen. On non-Samsung devices, you'll often find this under Settings, Security and Privacy, Device Unlock, and Screen Lock. I'll go to the Lock Screen menu, and from there, tap Screen Lock and Biometrics. Here, I can change between different screen lock types. PIN would be the most common, a numeric code that needs to be at least 4 digits long, but you can make it longer if you want to be more secure. The second option is to use a password, which works similarly to a PIN, but a password can contain a mix of letters, numbers, and even special characters. You can also mix uppercase and lowercase letters, and on a Samsung device, you can make the password up to 256 characters long, which is kinda crazy. Usually, the longer the password or passphrase, the more secure it is. The pattern option is interesting because instead of numbers or letters, it allows you to draw a pattern on a grid of 9 dots on your screen, and you'll match that pattern in a specific order to unlock your device. Good option for the visual folks who prefer drawing over memorizing numbers. Just gotta make sure you don't forget the pattern, because if you do, you'll have to factory reset the tablet to use it again. The last two options on the list offer basically no security. The swipe option allows anyone to unlock your tablet, and you'll simply unlock the tablet by swiping up on the lock screen. If you set the screen lock to none, there basically is no lock screen, and unlocking the tablet will take you directly to the last app or page you were at. So that's how you change the screen lock type. Click that like button if this helped, subscribe for more guides like this, and I hope to see you all in another tutorial. Thanks all, until next time.